Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm in Bangkok, it's right next to the MRT. I was going to go across to the chicken restaurant across the road, but as you can see, that's not going to happen today. Right there is a really fantastic chicken and rice restaurant, but yeah, not a chance. So today is the last day of Songkran, so tomorrow hopefully things will be back to normal. Anyway, we're going to walk down here. We'll probably have a bowl of noodles or something like that. Okay, so it's Wednesday afternoon, about 1:30 in the afternoon, and the temperature is it's a hot one today, guys. It's about 38 C, which is about 100 Fahrenheit, I think. And yeah, beautiful day out there. The traffic's getting a little bit more because I think everybody's coming back from the holidays. They'll all be back at work tomorrow. So from now until midnight, the traffic's just going to increase a lot more. Still got a lot of kids on bikes riding around. But anyway, let's go check this place out. So I've ordered this one. I've got no idea what it is. I've gone for 60 bucks. I'm feeling quite hungry. I have been here before a few months ago, but I didn't make a video. It was just the only place that was open again, basically. Yeah. Everywhere closes around lunch, or open in the morning, and a lot of places close. Then they open again in the evening. So about 1:30. This is like the only place that is really open. Got a drink of water there, much needed. This place is pretty cool. Little dumplings in there. I think that could be mine, I'm not sure. But yeah. Nice location. The MRT station is right up there. So it's a 2-minute walk if you're in the area. Look at the pork, looks fantastic. Meatballs, the Bamee noodles, which I like. And over there, they're still playing water. That'll be going on all afternoon, that will. They're going to have a nice water bill later on. So this Songkran, I haven't got wet once, which is really good. I think last year I got soaked just walking to 7-Eleven. This year, yeah, I've been lucky. These noodles smell really good, and I don't even know which one I've ordered. Here it comes now. Have a look. Oh, thank you, cap on cap. That looks alright, doesn't it? It looks like tom yum. I think it might be, you know. Meatballs, minced pork, and the grilled pork. It's not a very good idea to wear a white t-shirt while you eat this, but I thought it was going to the chicken and rice shop. Anyway, this looks really good. Boom. I always start off with a meatball. That is spicy already. No chilies needed. Oh, it's lovely. A bits of pork. Minced pork. Got some peanuts in there. Here's the small rice noodles. That's nice. What I'll do, I'll leave the link for this place down in the description. Come and check it out. Nice noodles these. Nice bit of pork. Lovely. Find it easier. Just stick it on the spoon like that. Like I was saying, it's like eating spaghetti. You can still hear them super loud motorbikes whizzing past. There's a name for them, Luke Deck or something like that it's called. That's lovely. So I've got some more videos coming up soon of recommendations. Everybody that recommends something, I'm adding it to my Google map and I'm going to go check it out. And if it's good, I'll leave a 5-star review. This bowl of noodles right here, it's 5 stars. It's absolutely beautiful. Once all these big bits of noodles are gone, you got to finish it off with a spoon. Oh, good. The bottom bit is where all the flavour is. And the bottom bit is where all the chilies are as well. Oh, that's good. Look at that. Oh, it's spicy. Ah, boom, just like that, all gone. That was fantastic. How about that? And that came in at 60 baht. That was absolutely fantastic, that was. Really, really nice. All right, Mac. Thank you. Very good. Anyway, we need to head back down that way. Let's try not to get wet. So hopefully, in about a week, I'll come back down here and I'll go and eat some chicken and rice. And this place is meant to be really, really good. They have big queues. You're supposed to get there really early in the morning. And yeah, let's go check it out. So back here again. So what I'm going to start doing, because I don't drive a car or ride a bike, I'm going to do more videos along the MRT lines. Just take a random stop, get off, and see what we can find. I think the next one of them will be next week, I think. Maybe jump on the pink line, head out towards Changwasana. But we'll just get off at a random stop and see what we can find sweet. Anyway guys, I'm going to shoot off and I'll catch you in the next video. The next one is not any more Songkran videos or anything like that, you know. Just a normal Bangkok. Anyway, see you later guys.